Oh, he's on! He's on! He's on! Good morning, guys. Max and I are almost finished setting up.
Good morning.
We're here at Witbank again. We've got a bit of a challenge between us two. We're going to try to see who can catch the biggest fish, biggest bass today on some hand lines.
The longest.
Well, the longest fish. We're going to be measuring with the trough. Max has got the green one for today. What are you going to fish on that?
Sorry Dol. I'll be using this little green gafter and I'll be throwing lead rig firstly. I haven't tied anything on yet, I haven't got to it, but yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, I've got my little Z-Man watermelon blue craw on as a little neko. I don't know if you can see what's going on there. It's going to be quite interesting. We've never really hand lined. We've tried once, never got it right. Yeah, I think it's going to be good fun. We've got a bit of a consequence as well. We're going to go past the, yeah, you can put it there. We're going to go past the grocery store on the way home, or Food Lovers or something like that. We're going to try to find the biggest, baddest chili we can find. And obviously the loser has to then consume that. I don't do hot food, neither does Max. I can barely do a mild curry. I know that sounds like I'm a bit of a poofter, but nonetheless, we're gonna do it anyway. I just want to show you guys here my little setup. So I'm fishing off my inflatable today. It's a little 2.8. It's nothing too intense. Let me show you guys the trough that we're going to be working with, measurement wise. So that's it there. So you basically just keep the fish's mouth against there and you measure it accordingly. So the longest fish between us two, and it must come off the hand line, wins. And obviously the loser is then going to have ring sting for the next 2 weeks. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned and we'll catch you guys on the water. It's funny on the water. Max is dying.
Sorry, cold.
I think the tactic for today, what we're going to do is I'm going to start off with a little bit of top water. I'm going to blow up on the Zara spook last week Wednesday. The fish have started staging. We caught a couple of fish last week with eggs in them, so they definitely are staging. Whether or not they're going to start taking top water, I'm not too sure. So we're going to start with that, and yeah, I'm going to change it over to the
13.6.
what? 13.6. 13.6 degrees on the water, so that's a little bit warmer than what we started off last time with. The max temp we got up to last time was about 15.7. Max got 15.8 on his. Yeah, I guess we're only. I hope you know you're going to be the one eating the chili tonight, eh?
Yeah, I'm being smart. First to them, find them, and then stop over to them.
Oh, is that your tactic? Yeah, we'll see. Oh, got one! Woo! Ah! Ah, got one! Oh, geez, like it. Whoa, this is so weird on a hand line. Oh, it's a good one. Get the net. Yes! On the hand line. And it's a good one. Nice, man. Looks like Maxie's eating jellies tonight. Yes, please. Woo! Okay, time to see what the verdict is here. Right, let's have a look. Oh, good fish. We're looking at 38. Let's take a picture in case he doesn't believe me. First fish of the day on the hand line. Fantastic. Awesome. Cool stuff. Good fish. Mwah. Goodbye. Call your uncles and aunties. And mommy and daddy. Ah, yes, please. Yes!
Les bars sont remplis, le jour se lève sans faire de bruit dans l'aventure.
Oh, got a bite, got a bite, got a... Yes, yes, got him. Yes, come. It's a good one. Whoa! Wow, this is so much fun. Come. Oh, we're gonna bite flip you. Oh, Max is gonna lose horribly. Oh, what a cook up now. That's so cool. Yes. Not a monster. Not bigger than the other one. But let's have a look anyway, just out of interest's sake. Come on, close your mouth. Close your mouth. There we go. Sitting on 31. Previous one was 38. Not too bad. Still a fish. Awesome. Bye bye. Feels like you're on FLW, hey? Cameraman around you. Yeah, we're gonna put on a rapala. Swimming some chatterbaits around the reeds. Oh. Yes, on. Woo! I don't know what to do with the spool. Yes, he's running, eh? Ah! No, not the ankle on. Get away from the motor. Ah! Let me get my net. Oh, he's belly hooked. Oh. Hey! Come to Papa! Cool. Number 3 on the Z-Man. Oh, yeah. Another bite. Yes, he's on. Woo! Come here! Oh, no, I thought I lost him there. Ah, it's a little dinky dink. Oh, no, ankle on. Go away. This is so much fun. Oh, no ways. Check here. No ways. Hey? I can see now why they're eating crawls. He's got a crab half in his mouth, half in his throat. Here, watch this. The crab's still alive. No ways. And that is why they're eating crawls. Hey? The crab's still alive. Okay, I don't want to be one to steal your lunch, so I'm gonna... Fish! Yay! I got one on the handline.
Look at that. First fish on a crawl and a handline. Yes! I did it!
Yeah, it looks like a good one. Yeah, it is. Okay. Huh? Oh yes, yeah, because that's how I roll. Okay, let's see. Max has got a 32.
Your biggest fish been?
38. Yeah, I'll show you the photo. I'll show you the photo. 32. Good fish though. Come, let's take a photo quick. You haven't got any photos yet.
Oh?
You, today.
Oh.
I'll take some nice photos for you. Hey guys, just a update on how the little challenge is going. Currently, for the time being, I'm in the lead. I've hit a fish of 38 centimeters. Max has just hit his first one now of 32. Yeah, 32. So for now I'm in the lead, but Max has got such a reputation for pulling out pigs, so I'm not gonna call it quits until until we're off the water. But whoa! He's on! He's on! He's on! No ways! On the jerkbait! Crankbait, my bad. How cool is that? Wow! Oh, that makes my day, hey? Your little dinky dink. Oh, cool, man.
Yes. Yes. He came off. Ta-da! Eh? Yeah.
These guys must see us.
They must think.
What on earth are these guys doing? Oh, jeez, like it. Okay, come now, close your mouth.
I'd hate you.
31.
Okay.
What was the other one? Also 31.
32.
Was it 32?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh.
Number 3. Nice, Max.
Hand line champion.
Measure?
I want to measure.
Good afternoon, guys. Oh, been a long day. Cool updates on how the day's gone so far. Day's not over yet, so we haven't concluded a winner as yet. We're shooting off to a little bay just right of the view, and we'll see what we can pick up there. But so far, my first fish of the day has still kept me in the lead of 38 centimeters. I've hit 11 today on the hand line, which has been fantastic fun. It's quite addictive, so I'm probably going to keep that on the craft whenever I go out, just for a bit of fun fishing. Yeah, like I said, heading off to a little bay now. Max is notorious for bringing out fish at the last moment, so I'm not going to count my chickens before they hatch. But yeah, whoever loses is going to have a bit of a hot scenario to deal with. I think Max is sitting on 4 or 5 fish for the day, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if you can see him. He's all the way over there. So he's going to shoot off to the little bay and we'll see how it goes there. Okay guys, as promised, we had a winner and a loser of yesterday's challenge. I won the challenge with a 38 centimeter fish, and Mr. Max over there has to now suffer, unfortunately. We bought a couple of chilies from Spa, and I think it's time for him to start eating, eh? Okay, so you guys can see here some delicious chilies. He's gonna take a couple out. I think he's gonna take about 4 out, and I think it's time to start munching, eh? Don't worry, I washed them, they're clean.
Have a look. That's what I have to deal with. Eat and swallow.
Manage. Oh, that looked juicy, eh? You okay? Hey guys, so I just need to clean up now. Some chili juices all over the place. Listen, yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't be afraid to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of challenge you want us to do next. We've got a bit of a consequence for the next challenge. We're going to be taking 10 shots of a paintball gun to bear skin, and yeah, we're just going to have to see how that goes. We're still looking for an idea for a challenge though. We've sorted out a consequence, but yeah, let us know what you think we should do next.
Yeah, that's nice, and they gon' call it a triumph, but you stay right.